I'm just gonna hope that you can't hear my new neighbors right across the way here from this window who are hanging out on their balcony, having an amazing day. They're having a grand old time. And I love them for that, but they're making it difficult to record things. So, hey, welcome back for another video. If you're new here, my name's Mark, and typically I talk about photography, mobile filmmaking, gear, and travel, and pretty much whatever else I want to. But today, I'm talking about Sandmarc's new, highly protective, super amazing. Sandmarc made a new case. I think it protects my phone a whole lot better. You can use the link down in the description to check it out for yourself. But my biggest criticism of Sandmarc's lenses in the past was not of their lenses, it was actually of their case. And that was the biggest problem that I had with Sandmarc in my previous videos. And since they've been sitting here in my studio, not being used as much as the Moment lenses that I carry around with me pretty much everywhere I go. I'm somebody who likes to keep a protective case on my phone because if I'm putting it face down on a desk, I don't want the screen to be rubbing whatever it's sitting on. Also, if I drop my phone from waist high, I don't want to have to worry about like my phone getting messed up. So I like to have a case that at least wraps it. So even if I drop it face down, the screen glass is not going to touch anything except for my fingers and the inside of my pocket. And that's the way that I like to protect my phone. Anyway, if you're a naked phone kind of person, you'll be fine with the case that's included with the lenses when you buy them. But if you want a little more protection, there is a case upgrade available now. It's pretty sleek, it's pretty simple. There's not a whole lot to say about it, but I like how the material feels. It has some metal embellishments on the side here for the buttons that feel pretty nice. The hole to turn sound on and off is enough to be able to get at least my finger in there. And unlike President Trump, I don't have that small of hands. Yeah, we're gonna go there. It needed to be a little bit brighter, so I made it a little bit brighter. That's what happened. This case is gonna protect my phone a whole lot better, and I like being able to use all of Sandmarc's filters that screw right onto the front of the lens. So I don't have to fumble around with any kind of adapters or anything like that. Every one of Sandmarc's lenses have the same diameter or circumference or whatever. The threads are the same size, so all of the filters are interchangeable with their different lenses. They've got NDs, they've got polarizers. You can go check them out for yourself, but that was like, I feel like I was missing that with Moment because I didn't have the adapter and like, I didn't buy all those things for Moment. And down here on the bottom is an open slot. And what's great about that is I'm still able to use the Osmo Pocket without having to like cut up and modify the case like I did here with the Nomad case from Moment. It's great that I can just use this right out of the box. It's not cut up, so if I'm in a business meeting and this is sitting on a desk or something, I don't have like this jagged cut up case. But anyway, if you like my style and you like this content, then do me the honor of subscribing to my channel, leave me a like or a comment down below, and use those links down in the description. They help pay my bills